Hi Sophie, hi Robert. Today in my video I want to show you how we play with our dog in the house. Abs is the star of the video, and I also have my assistant Emma behind the camera, and she's also gonna be in the video at one point. So we're gonna play 3 games. The first game is hide and seek. So this is the prize, Abs. This is what you want. And I'm gonna give it to Emma. Emma is going to hide it in the garden while I'm covering Abs's eyes. Okay, so he cannot see what is happening. Okay, are you ready, Emma? Take the toy. I'm covering Abs's eyes. Emma is coming back. Okay, have you got Abs in the car? Abs, ready? Look for the toy. Gdzie zabawka? Szukaj zabawki. Szukaj zabawki. Szukaj zabawki. Pomóż mi.
Where's the toy?
Szukaj zabawki.
Where's the toy?
Abs, szukaj. Szukaj zabaweczki.
Where's the toy?
Szukaj.
Oh, you're getting closer.
Szukaj
yes,
zabaweczki.
yes, yes.
Gdzie jest zabaweczka? Szukaj.
Boy.
Good, Abs. Oh, Absik, you found the toy. You are ever so good. Wow. And this is my Emma. Well done, Abs. Fabulous. Excellent. Okay, now it's time for the game number 2. This is a game when Emma takes Abs out. Emma, go and get the leash. Go and get the leash. Emma is gonna get the leash and go outside the house. I'm gonna put some disgusting white vinegar food on the floor, and the job is that Abs doesn't eat it. Let's just see what happens. Okay, you go out with him. Absik, go out. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the white vinegar out. It smells disgusting. It's white drink. Ooh, it's disgusting. So if he drinks it, it's not gonna be good. But the whole idea is that Abs ignores it. Go away, Damien. Okay, Emma, are you ready to come?
Yes, I am.
Come in. So Emma is coming through the side gate. Let off him, let go. And let's see what he does. Does he pay attention to it? Ooh, Abs, what do you think? What that is? And our job is supposed to go around Emma with him.
Come on.
Oh, he pays no attention to it. So that's a good sign. This is a game we found on the Cesar Milan Dog Whisperer website to keep the dog busy while indoors. Fabulous. He didn't pay any attention to it. Okay, do you want to take him out again, Emma?
Okay.
Ah, he wants to play now. He likes it. Okay, take him out again. Give him a treat, Emma, as well. Tell him to sit down.
Sit.
Excellent. Good, Absik. Emma is gonna take him out again, and this time the job is. Go.
You want the toy, don't you? Come on.
Okay, take the toy with you. Take the toy with you, Emma. Then
Come on, then.
he's a little bit confused. Okay, Emma goes out, and I'm gonna swap the food for delicious one. Okay, so the disgusting food goes back to the house. So hopefully he is not gonna eat the delicious food. Okay, I'm gonna put that away. And in here, look, I've got sausages. I've got cheese. And I've got some cornflakes. So all the things Abs loves, okay? So the idea is that he smelled the food, which was disgusting, and will not touch the food that is his favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna put those three in the way, and we'll see if that works. Damien, just leave. No, not yet, not yet. Let me put things away so the apps doesn't know what is happening, okay? So we've got the food there. Hopefully he's not gonna eat it. Emma, you can come out. Oh, and we also have Damien, helper. Come out. Come and play with him. So the idea is that the dog doesn't eat food off the floor, only from your hand. Let's see if it works. Oh! It doesn't work.
Come on. Do this.
Damien, don't eat away.
Slice? Can I have a slice of cheese? Yeah. What's this? Give.
The idea is, oh yes, excellent. Now Emma, give him a treat for paying attention to you. Give him a treat, make him sit down.
Sit. Give.
Okay, go in between the food again, okay? Keep walking between the food again. Let's see if he pays attention to it. Oh yes, he is. Let's see if he eats it.
Good boy.
Oh yes, excellent. Oh no. Good, Abshik. Excellent. Give him a treat. Give him a treat. He's doing very well. He is a clever dog.
Good boy. Good boy. Wanna play some tug of war?
Okay, shall we do the third game? So now we put the stakes up, meaning that we're gonna hide a toy with the food there and see if he eats it. Emma, do you want to? Okay, apps pushed. I take that, you take apps away so I can hide the toy in the garden. You need to put him on the leash. He's not gonna go anywhere. He is not gonna go anywhere. He likes the games.
Come on.
Go out, go out,
Come on.
go out, Ups. Go out. This is what happens with our arms. He
Wait.
doesn't want to go.
Wait.
Oh, Emma is taking a treat. How clever my daughter is. Oh, with the treat. Okay, take the treat with him. Take him out. Of course, things are not going as to plan. Okay, take him out. Come on. Well done, Emma. Clever Emma. So she's taking him out, and I am going to hide that toy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna hide it in here. Okay? So it's in the flower bed. Okay, let's see what happens. Emma, you're coming. Let go. Yeah. Szukaj. Szukaj zabaweczki. We speak Polish because that's what he understands. Szukaj zabaweczki. Gdzie masz zabaweczkę? Gdzie masz zabaweczkę? No. Szukaj zabaweczki. Gdzie masz zabaweczkę? Emma, help him. It's behind the pot, the big pot. Help him. Where's the toy?
Where's the toy?
Where's the toy? Look for the toy. Where's the toy?
You're close. You're close.
Ooh.
You're close. You're close. Good boy.
Well done. Good Abs. Well done, Abshik. You are a superstar, Abshik. Oh, you are excellent. Play with him for a little while. He needs to earn it because he has really earned the toy today, didn't he? We are so proud of him. Fabulous. And may I also take the opportunity to say that our rabbit is the audience and she was checking what is happening. She may eat the cornflakes. That's her favorite as well. So, may I just say goodbye, Emma? Sit. Oh, push, shut. May I just say goodbye. I hope you like the video. I hope you like our apps, our superstar apps, and see you next time. Bye.